Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to attach combs to wall clippers. This will be a trimmer guards tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So essentially, if you want to attach combs just like these to your set of wall clippers, this is the video for you. These are often referred to also as trimmer guards, and this will be a simple tutorial. So basically, you have your wall clippers right here. You want to attach the guards or the combs when the wall clippers are off, okay? These ones are not even plugged in, so obviously they're off, but make sure the clippers are turned off, okay? Now, essentially on your guard or your comb, what you're going to notice is that there's a side that sort of is the side that touches the scalp. It's going to be a little bit smoother and it's going to be a little bit more curved, right? There's not going to be any aggressive ends or edges over here, but on the other side, there's going to be a little notch, okay? So if you take a look, here's a little notch. I'm running my finger along the little notch. You can almost hear how sharp it is. And the reason that it's so sharp, you can hear it against my finger. Listen closely. Okay, so the reason that it's so sharp is because it wants to hook onto the teeth of the clipper. So you want to get the notched side and you want to hook that notch onto the teeth of the clipper. So as you can see, I'm taking the notched side and I'm hooking it onto the teeth of the clipper. Make sure it's centered. You want to make sure it's centered and that both sides of the clipper are covered by the guard. Then there's this little piece right here that hooks onto the other end, sort of like the tail end of the clippers, okay? So with some of them, you can just press them down and it'll clip in place. With this one, you got to kind of pull up on this a little bit and then press it down. So I'm going to open it up, press it down, and it's now in place. As you can see, I can sort of tap this over and over. It's not going anywhere. And that's basically it. You know that your trimmer guard is in place properly. Once again, make sure you can tap it and it's not going to go anywhere and you'll be good to go. And then obviously just press down on this again, just really make sure it's snug and secure, because what you don't want to happen is the trimmer guard comes off and then you continue cutting the person's hair or your own hair and then you have a massive mistake in the haircut. You don't want that. So make sure that the trimmer guard is on there properly before you begin cutting the hair of yourself or someone else. And that's it. That is how to attach combs to wall clippers, a very simple trimmer guards tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.